Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever found a blush that just clicks with your skin, offering that perfect flush of color that stays all day? Well, today we're talking about one that might just be the game changer you're looking for, theBalm INSTAIN Blush in Swiss Dot. If you're a fan of vibrant, long-lasting color and smooth application, this might just be the blush you've been waiting for. This blush is a powder form with a beautiful shimmer, and it's from the popular brand theBalm, known for its highly pigmented products and sleek, fun packaging. The color we're reviewing today, Swiss Dot, is designed to complement all skin tones, which is a great plus. The idea behind the INSTAIN Blush collection is to give you a flush, natural look that sticks. We all know how frustrating it can be when blush fades halfway through the day. But does this one deliver? Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. This blush is a powder formula, so it's easy to apply and build up to your desired intensity. The shimmer in this formula isn't over the top either. It's subtle enough for a fresh, radiant glow, but it still gives that touch of sparkle that makes your cheeks pop. The texture is smooth and it blends out effortlessly, which is important if you're someone who values a seamless finish. I've used this blush with both brushes and sponges, and I can say that it works well with both. Now, in terms of real-world usage, I tried this blush for several days during my usual morning routine, applying it over foundation and finishing off with a setting spray. The application is smooth, and I was impressed with how well it stayed put. I wore it during work hours, running errands, and even to dinner, and I didn't notice any fading. That's a huge win in my book, especially for a powder blush. The shimmer is visible, but not too in your face, so it gives you that healthy glow without crossing into glitter territory. What about the application process? Well, it's easy to work with, but you'll want to go light-handed at first. A little bit of product goes a long way. This blush is incredibly pigmented, which means that if you apply too much, it could be harder to blend out. But when used in moderation, it's absolutely gorgeous. As far as the pros go, theBalm INSTAIN Blush offers a long-lasting formula that doesn't fade quickly, even on oily skin. It's also versatile, working for a variety of skin tones, which is always a big plus in my book. The formula is lightweight, and the shimmer provides a lovely, healthy glow without being overwhelming. On the downside, I'd say the only real con here is that the pigmentation can be a bit intimidating if you're someone who prefers a more natural blush. It's definitely a product where you should start with a light hand and build up, as it can be easy to go overboard. Also, the packaging, while cute, isn't the most practical. It's a bit bulky if you're looking for something compact for travel. When it comes to value for money, I think this product is worth the price. At its price point, you're getting a highly pigmented, long-lasting blush that works across a range of skin tones. And the shimmer adds a lovely touch without being overdone. In comparison to other high-end blushes, this one stands out in terms of performance, especially when it comes to longevity. As for alternatives, there are definitely other blushes in the market that offer similar qualities, like the Milani Baked Blush range or the Too Faced Love Flush Blush. Both are great budget-friendly options, though I do think theBalm offers a bit more staying power and a more unique formula. Now, in terms of build quality, the product is solid. It's a compact design, though not the most travel-friendly. The packaging is cute, with that classic theBalm style, but I'd love to see a more streamlined version for people on the go. If you've ever had to contact the brand for customer support, you probably know they're known for being responsive and helpful. However, I haven't had to deal with them personally, so I can't speak to that experience. But based on their reputation, I'd imagine they're great to work with if needed. So does this blush live up to its claims? Absolutely. It delivers a beautiful, long-lasting flush of color that's perfect for any occasion. It's best suited for those who want a blush with a bit more impact. Think vibrant, noticeable color that stays put. If you prefer a softer, more subtle look though, this may not be the right pick for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.